Welcome to week 3 of our 30-day core shred challenge. Thank you guys so much for joining me for week 3. Let's get this started. Place those hands behind the hamstrings. Slowly come down. We're going to start to take this into a supine heel tap. So we're taking it out and in press. Out, crunch and lift. Push those elbows nice and away from the peripheral vision. Out and in. So we tap that heel out. Elongate it to the edge of the mat. Press, and then you're gonna flex to those toe tips. Out and in. Drop the shoulders down and away. Tap it out. Scoop the belly in. Breathe. We lift. Press. Exhale. Reach and extend it out. Reach. One last one right here. Take it into a reverse tailbone lift and then into that double heel tap. Lift. Now if you need to modify this, you can always lower the head down into the earth without having the head, neck, and shoulders up for the advancement here. Lift, lower tap, scoop the belly in, flexing firmly through those toe tips. Keep the breath going. Pull the rib cage in. Don't let those ribs flare. No arching within your spine. And press. Just a little tailbone lift. Nothing too crazy. One more here. From here, we're going to go right away into rolling like a ball. You hold for a moment. Slowly come down. Now, if you want to point your toes, you can absolutely point those toes. But for me, it feels better right now to flex my heels to alleviate any tension within those hip flexors. Or if you want to be a pretty ballerina, point those toes down and press, hold. One last one. We hold here. Pump those arms. Inhale and exhale. So this is like the Pilates 100 pump. Really use that breathing. Pointer flex. Inhale. And we exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Really find that vigorous pump here. Lift that breastbone, chest high. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly come down. We've got those supine heel taps. Woo, feeling that burn. We are in week 3. We should be challenging ourselves. Press. Remember, you can always mix and match these workouts. So if you need longer length workouts, maybe repeat the series or just do it with another day from our core shred challenge. Out and in. Drop those shoulders down. Press. Tap that heel out and in. Squeeze all the way down into the edge of your mat. Out and in. Give me one more. Press right away. We go into that reverse tailbone lift. And then tap the heels down into the earth. Scoop the belly in. Inhale. Exhale. Remember, pull the rib cage in. Don't flare it out. Press. I'm really feeling this series. Up and down. I hope you are too. Up and press. Don't jerk this movement. You don't want to use momentum. Use your core. Press. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Really find the breath here. Now from here, we take it into our rolling like a ball. Slowly come down. Only come down to your shoulder tips. You never want to come down into your neck or your head when you do rolling like a ball here. Rolling like a ball is an excellent exercise to really fire up that powerhouse. Inhale, exhale, scoop the belly in only to those shoulder tips. Hold your last one. We're almost there, guys. Keep it moving, getting week 3. Start it off right. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Drop the shoulders down. Breathe through it. You can always place the legs down for modification in 4, 3, 2, last one. Give yourself a little hug in. Excellent work, guys. Thank you for joining me for day 15 of our challenge, and I'm going to see you on the next one.